Hi, I'm Rhonda.
I'm Angie.
And we are Adventures in Nomadness. Have you ever taken a long road trip? Maybe pulling an RV or not? I bet you've heard this.
Are we there yet?
Or,
I have to go.
yeah,
She's bugging me.
We haven't. Want to know why?
So these are the things we do to have fun on the road, and make sure you do things for these guys too so they have fun.
So you can't have a road trip without having loud music. And in this case, we are rocking out to art.
If I had a little money, it's a rich man's world.
Hi, Angie.
Hi, honey.
Getting bored yet?
Yeah, it's time for a game.
Yeah, cool. Well, we've already rocked out to pass some of the time. So now it's time for a game. And what game would you like to play?
How about the license plate acronym game?
Oh yeah, so how does that work?
Well, we find license plates, obviously. There's a million of them around us, and we make up acronyms for the letters in the license plate.
So you got to have at least 3 letters. And then somebody spots one, and then we see who has the best or funniest acro.
And we may have to bleep out some of them.
Yeah. So in our example, we have FCN, or the 3 letters from the license plate. And I come up with frugal, crazy nuns. And what's yours?
Fun camping nights.
Or fracking.
Fracking crazy nuns.
There you go. So then you keep going until you run out of ideas and pick out which one you like best. Okay, what other games do we play?
A second license plate game.
A second license plate game?
Yes, you try and write down as many states as you can find. Sometimes the driver has the advantage because there's cars passing on this side, unless I'm in that side, because I'm kind of a lead foot. But anyway, you try and write down the most states, and whoever gets the first state, the second person cannot claim that same state. So after a set time period, then whoever has the most state wins.
Well, you can claim the same state, you just can't claim the same license plate. So, like, if you saw an Oregon going by, I can find another Oregon, I just can't use that same Oregon. Yes, that's the rules.
So, the loser has to take the dogs out in the morning.
I'm not sure I'm signing up for that, but
I think
okay.
you are.
Why do I feel like I'm gonna lose?
Because you usually do. What other games do we play to keep ourselves entertained?
Finding the cutest RV. So we're gonna try to take snapshots or whatever of RVs that we think are unusual or cute, and then we're gonna vote on it at the end and decide who wins. So our awards are probably multiple categories, like cutest coffee, or best towing job, or oldest, most vintage, or maybe even the ricketiest, because we see those periodically too.